Hey, I just did a quick look, with lots of purples. I don't know if you can see bad lighting. I put lighter purple in the inner corner. I found this the other day at CVS, because I just started working there. Milani, oh, freaking awesome. Look at those purples. My favorite one is this bright one right here, but actually I just used this really dark one, and that actually comes out, it actually comes out lighter than that, and it comes out to like a, it's kind of a light-ish purple, but it's one that you can use to put the smokiness, you know? And then I got this one. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's called Beauty and Blues. When I saw these, I freaked. I had to have them. It goes all the way from white to this darkish blue. But like all of them have like pigments of blue in them. They're just awesome. So I used like one of the lightest blues up here, like the third one down, and I put black eyeliner all over the entire lid, and then I put that blue one here, and then I took that dark purple and put that in the crease, and then I used that light vibrant purple underneath and then in the corners, and just, oh, it's pretty. But nothing big, just me playing around with my makeup on my day off, really, and it's nothing spectacular, but there it is. Thanks, guys.